Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the episode here. Today's just gonna be a short, quick one. The Ford Flex decided to grenade an AC compressor, so today we are swapping that out. So little did I know, AC compressors on this beautiful unit is actually super expensive. They're about $1,000 retail. Nobody's got time or money for that, so we ended up actually picking up a used AC compressor for $100. This one does have warranty on it, guaranteed for 6 months of its life, so hopefully we'll have some good luck. It spins a lot freer than that one that's currently in the car. The clutch actually decided to completely seize. So I already went ahead and loosened off the serpentine belt in order to remove the belt from the actual pulley of the AC compressor already. So yeah, let's get it up in the air further and see what we're working with. All right, so let's get a sneak peek of what we're working with underneath. So you can see the AC compressor right there. It's gonna be extremely hot, especially because I was just driving the car. So I'm gonna put the camera down, that way it gives me the chance not to burn myself as frequent. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys just in a little bit. All right, so a little bit of an update for you guys. Just as a precaution, I actually had the AC system evacuated and discharged professionally. You know, releasing all those gases into the atmosphere is very, very dangerous and can actually land you a very hefty fine if anybody witnesses or finds out that it was you. And I just don't want to be a part of that. So yeah, so it was actually professionally discharged out of shop. But as you can see here, we got the two pipes actually that goes into the compressor unit itself removed. We're gonna clean that all up, but yeah, pretty much we're getting ready to drop this out. I already got one of the bolts, one of the mounting bolts removed, just right there in the middle of the screen. But now I got two more and we'll be able to drop the unit out. And of course the bottom mounting bolt is actually in the block, or the pan assembly, so there's not enough room to get the AC compressor out. Still Ford doing Ford things. So I'm gonna see if I can get a vice grip on that part that's not threaded and see if I can thread it out in order to drop the AC compressor. And the fun keeps on going. Stay tuned. Well, the good news is actually threading out a lot easier than I thought. So I got a couple more turns and then we'll be able to drop it out. This thing is so hot. And there we go, guys. AC compressor is down. Put it beside the other one. That way we can mirror match just to make sure we have the correct part before we go all through the trouble to try to wrestle and put the other one in. So we got the two inlets, or one inlet, one outlet. One's angled, one's straight. So that looks good. We got a mount, another mount, another mount. So those line up, so that's good. We got a two plug just hanging off the side. And we could even go through the trouble of checking the part number, but they look identical. They're around exactly the same size. So now, a pro tip actually, because I don't want to dry fire the system essentially, even though after I go get it recharged, they're gonna introduce new PAG oil, new refrigerant, I actually wanted to just at least put some PAG oil in the new compressor, well, used one, but new to us. So I just tipped this one upside down, and the good condition PAG oil in this compressor just went into each inlet and outlet. Just that way I know for a fact it's got some form of oil in it. It's not gonna be dry firing, because then you can potentially wreck the internals, and I definitely didn't want that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that one in right now. All right, so new compressor is in. We're just getting everything all finalized. Just got the inlet and outlet pipe bolted on, just getting all the mounts, and then we do the final tight up. Okay guys, this is pretty much it. We got it all bolted in. The inlet and outlet pipes are all 100% on tight. All the bolt mounts are all tight too, and I've already got the belt on all the pulleys. Just gonna go up top just to double check, make sure that we got everything on. And yeah, we'll lower this thing down and check up top. All right, so now we can double check that it's on the alternator pulley. Yep, looks to be like it. Now I can remove my ratchet from the actual tensioner itself. It is pretty hot, so I probably won't be able to get it off just like that. But yeah, so pretty much there we go. The only real test is to start it up and make sure that it spins freely. Pretty crazy though, because one of these AC compressors, I don't know if I mentioned, it was $1,000 retail. Who would pay $1,000? So with a couple phone calls, I found the wrecker one for $100, literally 90% off. Like, wow. So like I said, this one does come with warranty, so hopefully we have no trouble with it. But that's it pretty much for now, guys. Thanks a lot for checking this one. Like I said, I know it is a little bit of a short one. Make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. Also check me on Instagram. You guys get to see some sneak peeks. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.